Gonna be doing an oil change on my 1000 XP razor today. Pretty simple process. A little easier if you got a lift. If not, still not bad. Alright, up on the lift, right here. There's your oil drain. 6mm Allen. Take care of that. Just let that finish draining. Alright, done draining. Put the drain bolt back in. Then we'll let this back down to get to the oil filter. Alright. Okay, so to get to the oil filter, you can open this little access panel between the seats. Or it's also just as easy to reach right through the back here and get to the oil filter. And mine seems to be on there quite well. Open up our fresh oil change kit from Polaris. Which, if anybody needs to know, there's the part number for a 1000 XP oil change kit. Put a little oil in the filter. Rub a little around. On the seal. Oil filter part number. In case anyone needs that. We'll try not to put it back as tight as the other one was. Okay, filter installed. Now let this rest the way down and fill it up with oil. Alright, remove the cover in the back. Obviously I need to do some more cleaning on mine, but it just doesn't feel like time to clean. Pour in the oil, 2.5 quarts. And that takes care of the oil change. Okay, now to reset the service hours. Hold your mode button. Down, service hours. 50, mode button. And there's reset. That's simple.